Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, then welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you love makeup. For today's video, I have this look that I think is perfect for fall, and if you guys like it, then please keep watching. I'll be using my Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette and start off with the darkest shade. Apply it right above my crease in a rounded shape like that. If you don't have hooded eyes, you can just go with your natural crease. By the way, I apologize for too much forehead. I usually crop my videos, but this time I actually zoomed all the way in for better quality, and I had a very hard time to stay in focus while doing makeup. So I still have to train myself. Next, I'll be going with this warm purple shade and blend out the edges of the dark color. I'm using Morphe 506 brush, by the way. For this look, you want to make sure to bring that color all the way down to your inner corner, because we're going to be cutting the crease and you want the color in the crease to be very intense to make the shade on the lid stand out. Next, I'm going to pick up this light brown color and blend out the edges of the previous shade. And I'm also using Morphe 506 brush. Not the one that I just used, but the same kind. I just realized that I never talk about my base because I do my face first and then I just forget about it, but someone recently asked me what primer I use. So I just use my concealer. Pretty much any concealer will work. Right now it's Born This Way by Too Faced, and then I use any setting powder to set it, and that's pretty much it. Now I'm applying that same light brown shade next to my lower lash line. I usually prefer going from light to dark here, but it really doesn't matter, whatever works for you. I'm going back with a purple shade to bring some color back because a lot of it faded when we were blending. I'm also going to apply it next to my lower lash line, and I'm using the Outer V brush by Makeup Geek. Next, I'm going to switch to a smaller brush. I'm going to use Morphe E36 pencil brush and apply that very first color, the darkest one that we used on the lid, right next to my lower lash line. Next, you'll see me applying the same shade above my crease, and then a little bit on my outer corner. I want to make sure that all the colors that I used on the lid are connected to the ones on the lower lash line. I'm gonna use a little bit of this light shade that almost matches my skin to diffuse the edges on the inner corner and the outer part, just to make it look a little bit more blended. You can also use your translucent powder for this step. Next, I'm gonna use my Born This Way concealer to cut the crease, and I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills number 18 brush. I have to say, cutting the crease and staying in focus with this zoom was a real struggle. So I think I'm gonna zoom in a little bit less next time. Next, I'm going to set the concealer using this light shade and a flat synthetic brush. I'm gonna go over the edges with that darkest shade just to make that light color stand out a little bit more. And then we're gonna move to the outer corner. I'm using the Outer V brush to apply that purple shade right next to the dark color and lightly blend it into it. Now I'm going to apply some of that light brown eyeshadow that we used earlier, and I'm using Morphe 431 brush. I'm using a small blending brush to blend it into the light shade because it just makes it a little bit easier. Now I'm going to apply some eyeliner along my lash line. I'm using Dagger tattoo liner from Kat Von D, but pretty much any black eyeliner will work. And I'm doing so because I'll be using false lashes and it will help to hide the bend. Next I'll be going with this gel liner from Pretty Vulgar, and I'm gonna apply it right underneath my lashes. It will also make the falsies and real lashes blend together. For my waterline, I'll be going with this jonteblu. I'm actually not sure how to pronounce it. With this dark brown eyeliner, some mascara, and to highlight, I'm gonna be using my Becca highlighter in Vanilla Quartz because this palette doesn't have any. It's my go-to highlighter because it's super light and it still has golden undertones. And for the final step, I'll be using a pair of lashes of Huda Beauty in style Jade. Now our look is complete. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!